Okay, good evening, everyone, once again. Welcome to the presentation, today's presentation, and let's welcome our panelists. We have Moshood here, we have Godwin, and we're waiting for two more to join. Okay, so group one, which is Team Brainiac, are you ready for your presentation?
Not yet, sir. Please continue.
Okay, please do that yourself. While others reach out to their team members, please. Okay, team one, team Brainiac, by 6:05, your time is going to start. You have 20 minutes for your product teardown presentation. So please note that by 6:05, your time will start. Team Brainiac, are you there?
Yes, I am with you.
Okay, can you please share your screen so that you can present and we can start by 6:05? Your time starts. So you have 20 minutes for your product teardown. So you have the floor
Uh,
now. Thank you.
Please, I'm trying to share my screen. Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Can hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can. Please go ahead.
Okay. Can I proceed?
Yes, you can. Please, you can proceed. You have 20 minutes
Okay.
and
That's all. Good evening, everyone.
good evening.
Um, this is a presentation by Tim Brainer on WhatsApp account management system teardown. In this project, we dive deep into the user pain points and possible solutions. So I'll take you through the table of contents, introduction, overview, existing features, project goal, objectives, user personnel, WhatsApp user flow, through to the next steps for implementation. So let me quickly introduce my team members to you. The project and the product manager in the person of Adetoyeshi and Oluwakemi Alade. And the front end developers Aja Suleiman and Adeshina Oluwanimi. The product designer Peace jo- Joseph and the data analyst Adinayi Frank. And I have back-end developers Amojo Yomide and Okuru Amaka. Okay, now I'll be talking about the product overview. We propose solution. The proposed solution is the email-based login for more privacy, improved multi-device sync with sign for seamless transition and options for higher quality. And our goal is to enhance WhatsApp account management system to offer flexibility, privacy, and improve user experience. Um, Also, the overview is talking about the WhatsApp account management teardown, which is a detailed analysis of user pain points and areas needing improvement. We actually did a thorough market research where we got feedback from users and we noted down their pain points, which I will be showing you shortly in this slide. Please work with me. The problem from my slide 5 is that a WhatsApp based on the data we gathered online, the research and the analysis we did to realize that WhatsApp struggles to be the top social media app due to two key issues: limited cost, device support, which restricts the user beyond mobile, and a lack of investment in advertising, leading to missed opportunities for growth and awareness. Without addressing this, WhatsApp remains a basic messaging app, failing to compete with more versatile platforms that offer better device flexibility. So the problem statement is that WhatsApp restricted device flexibility and limited advertising hinder its ability to compete as a top social media platform, preventing it from capitalizing on its potential. Addressing these issues would unlock new growth and expand on its role, and that is the major reason for this teardown. So now we proposed a solution which is to address the current limitations and enhance its competitive advantage. By doing this, we recommend that the WhatsApp should undertake two major initiatives. Number one, significant investment in advertising, and they should enhance their cross-device functionality by improving their cross-device support, which is essential for seamless user experience. So, the next slide is user personnel, and I'll be calling on my colleague to speak on that. Okay. Sorry, I'm still the one talking about it, please. So user personnel, we have two key users here, which is Amara Williams and Desmond. So for Amara, she's 28. She's a freelancer, graphics designer, and she's tech savviness intermediate. But her pain points, I'll specifically talk about the pain point. Amara needs to keep her business contact separate from her personal life. But WhatsApp relies on phone number forces her to manage two phones or SIM cards. So, and then her needs is an alternative account setup method to create, e.g., like email based, to create multiple accounts and manage them for a single device. Then she needs a strong privacy setting to hide her phone numbers from contacts. So the second personnel user, it's Desmond, and his age is 34. His occupation is an architect at the design firm. His tech savviness is advanced, and his location is New York. So his goal is to stay connected on both his work with laptop and personal smartphone without needing separate WhatsApp accounts. Easily switch between devices while managing both professional contacts. So he needs a true multi-device experience with seamless account sign that doesn't depend solely on single phone number. So what are his pain points? We gather that Desmond struggles with WhatsApp's current multi-device limitation, and the app is tied to his phone number and doesn't allow seamless switching between multiple devices. He finds it difficult to keep work-related chats on his computer while also using his phone for personal conversation. So from this user personnel, we realize that both Amara and Desmond have two things in common. They have similar pain points, which is to keep their business contact separate from their personal life. Thank you. Permit me to call on my colleague Suleiman to talk about WhatsApp user flow, visual hierarchy, and overall usability. Suleiman, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good evening.
Suleiman.
My name is Suleiman Naja, front-end developer. I'll be talking about the user interface of WhatsApp. Please, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. You have 10 minutes left for your team. Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, I'll make sure I'm very good. Let's go emphasize on usability and the way I kind of focus on why doing operators. The white background is for the light mode, while the dark blue is for the dark mode. So I'll be the chat component like the chat list and chat view. Chat list is list of all your chats with either groups or your contacts. While your chat is your personal chat with a particular contact, which consists of
Can you see my screen?
yes, you can see your screen.
Okay.
Which consists of text input, voice messages, and so on. As for the voice messages, is where you can record your voice as a message to other users, while there is also typing indicators which allows your user or rather your contact to know when you are currently typing. And there are media messages where you can share documents, videos, pictures, and voice music, which is still audio, sorry. And there are things like animation, like emoji and what's it called, stickers that we do send. Now, when it comes to messaging, what enables WhatsApp to be so good at messaging is what we call that it's it enables real-time topics. Can you hear me? Yes, we can. Okay. We can. When it comes to the real-time updates, we all know status where we can upload our status for 24 hours. All these are enabled through WebSocket and we can push notifications. So since we don't have much time, I won't go deeply into the error handling. So
Okay, are you done? Thank you, Suleiman. Please, I'll call on Amaka Okoro to speak on messaging, also database messaging, messaging protocols to database management.
good evening, everyone. Mr. Mac,
Okay, sorry. Sorry, please, Amaka, please, not, Amaka, please, hold on, please, let me, sorry. I think, Suleiman was supposed to talk about the user flow, visual hierarchy, and overall usability too as well.
yes, I think the reason I didn't speak on that is I was told that we have only 10 minutes. So I think
Okay,
because of time, I'll be
okay. Okay, Amaka, please talk about the messaging protocols. Speak on the messaging protocols.
Yeah, hello. Leverage the signal protocol for end-to-end encryption. So, can you all hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, we can. I don't know if I'm interrupting. I think for a proper understanding of the product, we can't afford to skip the user flow. So please, Suleiman, can you please take us through the user flow? It's very important.
Okay, Suleiman, you can take over. You have 6 minutes left for Team 1, for Team Brainiac. You have 6 minutes left.
Suleiman, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Okay, Suleiman, let me just come in, please. This is fine. Can you speak him? Suleiman, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be talking about the error handling. Right? I can talk now, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when sending a message, a simple check mark is shown to show that a message is sent. Now, when delivered, we see a double checked. And if a user is offline, message remain with the sending state until the network connection is restored. That is when we see an icon of like a clock. And we have image and video compression. WhatsApp compresses media files before sending them to optimize performance. That's why some people actually say it's not good to send pictures through WhatsApp because it actually compresses it to make sure it's smaller. And the downside of it is that it reduces the quality. Same with videos and audios as well. So is that all?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. The usability talks about the user flow, talks about the simplicity, the onboarding, The user's flow is straightforward, making it easy for users to navigate. The main functions, chat, status, calls, just like Suleiman has rightly said. And the onboarding process is quick and intuitive, requiring minimal steps. Like everybody can navigate to WhatsApp, and it's quite consistent over the years they've been very very reliable, and they've been active, and they've been in the business. At least that consistency is there, providing a seamless experience across all platforms. They remain consistent. Thank you. Amanda, please talk about messaging protocols. Amaka, is it?
Yeah, I'm
Hello,
listening. I'm
Amaka.
listening. Please, can you share your screen? I'm not seeing your screen.
You can see it.
Share your screen, please.
I'm sharing it.
Okay, I can't see it.
Oh, it must be the network.
Okay, I'll be talking about. I'll be sharing about the messaging protocol. WhatsApp, as we all know, it leverages on what is known as a signal protocol in in for messages. That is, it ensures that only the sender and recipient can read the message, the content, and enhancing privacy and security. The Signal protocol provides confidentiality, it provides integrity authentication, participant consistency, and destination validation. Then this chart is used to describe how the messaging protocol works. It's when you are chatting with a friend, you and your friend are able to exchange what is known as are able to exchange a code via the DH. DH is known as the fulfillment. That is the man that discovered it. It's a mathematical procedure, and this can only be exchanged. It can only be unlocked using the KDF. The KDF is the key derivation function. You are able to use it to derive a key from the existing current key. What that means is only you and your friend understands what that message is. Only you and your friend or the person you're messaging has the access to the content of the message that has been sent. That is why, for instance, if you don't have data or maybe you lost your device, as long as you backed up your messages, whenever you're able to get a new device, you are able to get back all the messages. They are not lost because it works on encryption, and that also is also part of the security. So I'll also be talking about the database management. WhatsApp uses both NoSQL and SQL. That's for NoSQL, like MySQL uses MySQL. Sorry, that's a little bit noisy from the database. For relational database. Okay, sorry, can you hear me?
It's really low, so I don't know if you can.
Okay. Yeah, if you can hear me now. Okay, for the relational database, I don't know if you can hear me. For the relational database, WhatsApp uses that to store the contacts and uses to store the contacts and our profiles. Then for the non-relational database, uses to store the to store all the messages, the chat flow, and also another way WhatsApp works in terms of our media and our medias like the images and the videos. All the images and the videos are being compressed. For the images, it works with what we call WebP, and also for the videos, it works with what we call an HEVC. And how that works, it has to compress the media such that the receiver is able to get it, and at the end of the day, it can during the compression it's being encoded. Then during when the recipient receives it, it's being decoded. There's a diagram that describes that. I can't actually see my screen. So
Okay,
that's what I was sharing. Moving on to
group
the
one.
next.
Tim Brainiac, your time is up. Is there any other thing you might want to add in 1 minute? Tim Brainiac. Tim Brainiac, your time is up. Is there anything you want to add in 1 minute? Is there any other thing you want to add? Okay, I'll take that as you know. Okay, so just to a quick information, I've sent another link to us, which is for the second presentation, which is start is going to start by 7. So that's for the product comparison. So that's the link for the second this thing. So here we are going to analyze the product tear down. Then once we are done with the product tear down, then and the product what's it called? The other presentation, then our panelists will give us comments on what we've done. So group two, team two, that's team vibrant, am I correct? Let's have
Good evening, everyone.
good evening.
My name is Makale Balkis, representing Team Vibrant. Please allow me to share my screen. Maybe you can see my screen on my end, please. Okay. Do you need to allow me to share my screen from your end?
No, you can just share your screen. You can share your screen.
I'm not seeing the picture that allows me to share my screen from the options down.
Okay, you can see. Okay, can you see a feature that has a rectangle then something like an arrow?
Narrow up.
Yeah, after the
The
emojis.
present now, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Okay. Can
Okay.
you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Thank you. Yeah, as we can all see, our team is Team Vibrant, and we are working on thrift zone. Before I start with the overview, I would like to introduce my team members as well. I myself, person number one, Kole Balkis, the project manager. One, Oshubansara, product manager. We have Victor Erastus, data analyst. Daniela Tinsu, full stack developer. Lawal Fatu, backend developer. Farida Ibrahim, a product designer. And Samuel Bayo, a full stack developer. Yeah. We worked on product teardown of a thrift zone, and thrift zone is an e-commerce platform that specializes on is an e-commerce platform that specializes in on sales of used items. It's a marketplace where you can sell your used item or second-hand items from household items, cars, um, anything that you feel like you want to sell. We produce a platform whereby you will be able to sell it seamlessly. It's just like a marketplace, like Facebook, Chichi, but those ones mostly specialize on new items. But we see that majority of people want to sell some goods that they are no more using, but they find it very difficult to sell. So just like we should work on an app that enables people that have a second-hand item to sell. So our mission is just to create an inclusive and sustainable community marketplace in which we connect buyers and sellers together at an affordable and unique rate. We're going through the vision. We want to create a world where sustainability and affordability go hand in hand in creating a thriving marketplace. That's the vision of our product. Then the problem statements. We see that majority of we have individuals and businesses that struggle to find affordable and user-friendly platforms to sell their thrifted products. So the difficulty of them selling those goods made us to want to make an impact. We don't want sellers to miss out with their potential customers. So we want to create an easy to use e-commerce platform where sellers can reach a broad audience without prohibitive cost, and buyers can also discover a wide range of affordable second-hand and sustainable products in a trusted environment. Yeah, the program also noted is that traditional e-commerce platforms often lack the tools and resources to promote sustainable second-hand selling, and as a result, it's very difficult for eco-conscious sellers and buyers to engage in environmentally friendly commerce. So we want to prioritize sustainability and thrifted goods. I want them to gain visibility among large-scale retailers and individuals by connecting buyers. Our app is going to be like a marketplace where buyers and sellers will meet, and they will display goods they want and they will have access to it. Another problem we noted is that small scale sellers, especially those that offer second hand and unique items, often face barriers such as high fees, complex setups, and competition from large retailers on our popular e-commerce platform. So we want to make an impact by encouraging sellers to participate in online markets, and as well meet with buyers that will buy from them. So our app is going to be an affordable, easy to navigate platform that empowers small scale sellers to enter the online market without high cost or technical barriers. So another problem we noted before we embark on this project is many existing places fail to provide effective communication channels between buyers and sellers, leading to misunderstanding about product shipping and pricing. So we want to make an impact in which buyers that have unanswered questions about product quality, condition or delivery that will lead to lack of trust in sellers will we are going to solve such problem for them by which we create a platform with an inbuilt messaging system that encourages open communication between buyers and sellers, and it will as well enhance trust, reduce confusion, and improve the overall shopping experience. So the fifth problem we notice is that many buyers are overwhelmed by the sheer number of products on large marketplaces, making it difficult to find affordable second-hand goods amidst listing from large retailers. So this cluttered experience discourages buyers from discovering thrifted or unique products, as they often settle for the more easily visible mainstream items. So we are going to have a well-organized platform that will emphasize curation and advanced filtering to help buyers easily to find affordable second-hand and thrifted products. So thrift zone is going to enable smoother and more focused experience that will highlight small sellers and unique offerings. So I'll call. We have before I call on my colleague, I'll like to go through the competitor analysis. We have Jumia. Yes, we have Jumia in classified platform where users can buy and sell used items. They have their strength. They have strong brand recognition across Nigeria and Africa, and is a free to use platform as well. But their weakness is that listing can be disorganized, making it difficult to find specific items. So the opportunities for thrift zone is that we're going to focus on more refined curated user experience with better search filters and customer support.
Okay.
So another
Team
competitor.
Vibrant, you have 10 minutes left. Please take
Okay,
note.
thank you. Yeah. Another competitor we have is Facebook Marketplace. Their strength is that they have integrated Facebook massive user base. They have weakness in no secure payment gateway. So we at Thrift Zone we are going to implement more secure payment system for buyers and sellers. So we are going to offer platform like PayStack that will enable them to make payments. So we have Gigi as well. It's one of the largest online marketplace, and their strength is that they have large selection of projects. I mean of products. But their weakness is that fraud and scams are more common. But the opportunities we have is that they're going to offer better security and fraud prevention tools to create a safer environment for transaction. So I'd like to call on my colleague Ochubasara. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good evening.
Yeah. I'll hand over to my colleague Ochubasara to start from the features.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you stop sharing so I can?
All right, I'll do that.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Okay, I don't know if you can see my screen. I'm going to start from where my colleague has stopped. So I'm moving on to the gap basically. Okay, hold on a bit more. To our thrift zone gap. So what I mean by gap, I mean what are we bringing to?
Please, hello, Sarah, please start from the features.
No, before I get to the features, I have to talk about the gap.
The trips. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Like you all know, although we're like candies. So as you all know, the name of our store is Thrift Zone, and we all know that we have like competitors in the market, right? Which makes us to think about what are we bringing to the market? What unique features are we bringing to the market? Because I cannot just convince somebody who is already a user of like let's say Facebook Marketplace or maybe Gigi to come over to my website. We have to think of something unique that's going to attract them. So that's why my team and I did a research, and we discovered that for us to be different, basically in the markets, we are going to offer user experience, which means that we're going to offer a cleaner, a more intuitive platform with advanced search filters, product categories, and also easy communication between buyers and sellers. Then number two, we're going to offer a secure payment, as we all know that most of our competitors do not have a secure payment platform. They mostly do hand to hand. You meet the buyer meets seller, the exchange. Sometimes most people are like victim of fraud. Because if you go to the GG app, you see where there's this logo that tells you do not pay in advance. You have to meet like with your buyer or with your seller basically. So we're going to offer a secure payment platform whereby their payment will be secured. You don't have to have any issue of fraud. They're also going to create buyer to seller trust, which means we're building a trusted platform with user reviews, rating, and also secure messaging. We're also going to come in with our inventory management. We're going to provide vendors with easy to use tools for tracking their inventory, managing orders, and also running promotion, e.g., flash sales or discount codes, something like that. Then we're also going to focus on our sustainability, which means they're going to focus on promoting sustainable and second-hand items, aligning with the growing trend towards e-commerce consumption. They were also going to create this community engagement, because you notice that most of this application or this website do not really have this community kind of engagement. And for a company to be outstanding, you have to like have this community engagement, which means that we're going to build a community around truth culture by incorporating social features like forum, buyer and seller story, and also promoting of our unique findings. Then I'll go straight to the features. We're going to have features like user registration and authentication, basically, whereby for buyers they can easily just sign up either using their Gmail or Facebook. While for sellers, they will have to have this separate registration that has to do with their detailed profile creation, which includes business verification. They were also going to create this 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, which is mainly for enhanced security for both buyers and sellers. They're also going to have this product listing, whereby sellers can also, list out their product according to the description, the category, the pricing, and also the images. Then, like I said earlier, we're going to be doing inventory management, which means that there'll be a tool to manage their stock level, their product variants, and also their shipping options. Then we're also going to use SEO, that's search engine optimization, which we are going to have this built into to enhance the product discoverability on search engines, meaning that you can easily just search whatever you want on the platform, so that it's not going to stress you. Don't want to build an app whereby we're going to stress our customers or our users. Then we're going to go straight to, okay, we already talked about the search bar, advanced filter, and sorting options. So we're also going to build shopping cart and wish list, whereby that shopping cart you could like add multiple items, modify your quantity, and also remove your total before you check out. Then your wish list is like you wish to buy this thing but you don't have the money yet. So you could like just save it up, see when you have the money to purchase the stuff like that. Then payment gateway integration, which is very, 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 very important. Like I said, other of our competitors don't really have this gateway stuff. They mostly do meet buyer meet seller, you exchange, or some people do pay before delivery and all of that. For us now, we're going to have like multiple payment methods, which include maybe your debit card, your bank transfers. Then as we advance, we could do digital wallet, maybe Google Pay or Apple Pay and all of that. Then we're also going to have a secure checkout, which include end-to-end inscription for payment gateway and in compliances with PCI and DSS standard. Then we're also going to have order management, whereby buyers can also view their history, can track their shipment, and also manage or refund or return their goods if they don't like what they buy, stuff like that. Then for sellers, you can see that they can also have a tool for managing their orders, printing their invoices, and also notification when they get like an order, stuff like that. We're also going to have rating and review, as we all know that an app is not complete without rating and review. So for the product rating, buyers can rate and also leave reviews on products, offering valuable feedback for sellers and also other buyers. Then for sellers rating, buyers can also rate their sellers. For sellers rating, buyers can also rate their sellers based on the overall transaction experience, e.g., communication, delivery time, and also product quality. Then we also have messaging system, where buyers and sellers can also have this inbuilt messaging system where they can message themselves, talk out the price, do their whole conclusion before they proceed to maybe place an order and stuff like that. We're also going to have customer support, which is very important, where they can literally lay their complaints, their feedback, and under the customer support, we're going to have this help desk, probably 24/7 live chat support. We're also going to have this FAQ, which is a frequently asked questions button, just in case people who don't really know their way around the whole stuff, they can just check the FAQ. Then we're also going to have this dispute resolution in case of, let's say, fraud or maybe damage rules or stuff like that. Then they can also reach out to this dispute resolution board. Then lastly, we're going to have the admin dashboard, whereby we're going to have marketplace control, which means admin can manage user, can also monitor transactions, resolve disputes, and verify sellers' authenticity. Then we can also have analytics, whereby detailed reports of on platform performance, users' activities, the sales, and the traffic. Then we should also have this KPI, which means a key performance indicator for insights to enhance the business growth. I think at this point, we've come to the end of the slide presentation. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope we all have access to the other link. And I'm sure we all have access to the other link. We've seen it. Okay, so we have less than 9 minutes here. Okay, so before the third team presents, so the third team will start their presentation in the second, what's it called? The second presentation, second link. So I don't know, our panelists, can we just in 9 minutes or in 7 minutes, if we have any this thing, before we move to the next link and move to the next presentation. So for our panelists, do we have any what's it called, comments? Okay, I'll start with Kingsley. Can we have you? Then Moshood, then Godwin and yes, let's have you.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Well done for I see that you guys are putting so much effort in doing research. It's not easy to fetch information and gathering them to form a product like this. And I'm already visualizing every presentation because I'm more like a visual person. So we have a whole lot of writings on your presentation, but I'm trying to translate them into visuals. They're actually very great. I wouldn't want to say much because the last team, they've not presented yet, so I don't want morale to be low. So I'll just say well done for the effort so far.
Okay, thank you so much. Can we have Moshood, then Godwin and
Alright. Hi everyone. Good evening and well done to the first team, that's Team Brainiac, and the second team as well, that's Team Vibrancy. You have done very well. I have a few comments, and I think this will be like a plus for the third team that has not presented yet. So these are my observations, and I'm just going to take it by team, right? And like a general feedback basically. So when it comes to presentations in general, right, it is always best to own your presentation. What I mean is understand or get familiar with what you are presenting, and this avoids you having to read through like the slides. So especially for team one, I what I observed was that we're like just reading through the different slides. It didn't feel like you had understood what you're trying to present and you were taking us on a journey. It just felt like you were reading through all you had, written in those slides. So that would be something to take note of going forward. Then for the teardown itself, I think that most times it's always best because of time constraints for presentation. It's always best to focus on your suggestions and improvements, like issues you discovered and what you are, presenting as an iteration or what you're presenting as an improvement for that particular product you are tearing down. So I think everyone should take notes on that because we are like team one now presenting for WhatsApp and we are all familiar with WhatsApp. So I would expect that you just give like a brief, a brief on like the problem statement, what WhatsApp is trying to solve, and like few of their features that they have, and then focus more on issues that you think you have, suggestions as to how it can be better for users. Right, so that would be something for us to generally note. And then the last comment for team one would be that I wasn't really clear on the problem statement for WhatsApp, so I was not clear about it. So it's always advisable to be very direct and clear on the problem and the solution that that product is offering. So yeah, that would be my comment for team one. Then for team two, I think so far so good. I've been a bit distracted, but so far so good. I think that what I noticed was the presentation was about a non-existent product that's like a new product idea, and that's not the point of a product teardown. A product teardown is you picking up an existing and already existing product
and explaining to whoever, excuse me, whoever you're presenting to the problem statement. That's what the problem that that product is trying to solve. Basically, give us an overview of that product and then focus on improvements and iterations you'd like to make to that product. So I think on that bit, I think there needs to be clarity on that bit because we presented for a new product or a product idea and not an already existing product. So we might want to take note on that for product teardown. So yeah, so far so good. Those are my comments. Thank you everyone, and once again, well done. Kudos.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so we'll be moving to the next link now that I've sent to everyone. So for Godwin and Dyer, our panelists, maybe that will be after the product comparison, second muscle code. So we can give a general review of what we think about the whole this thing. I think that will be okay by us, Dyer and Godwin. That will be okay.
That's my bad.
Okay then. So we're going to have Kingsley and Mushid again for the product comparison and everyone. So let's move to the second link.